Hey everybody, happy Thursday. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is something that was labeled do not announce, but my team is probably learning the lesson right now. If you don't want Sean to announce it, you probably shouldn't let him know it exists. But I think it's really important to tell you kind of what's happening and do some future casting here. So this is a workflow action that is now being tested internally as part of a new product that we're going to be coming out with, which will be called something like, let me make this up on the fly, like premium workflow action. So the idea here is really simple. We've worked with a lot of customers for a long time, and we know many of you use external apps like Zapier and so forth to do some of these actions here. And so our goal over the next, who knows how long it'll take, but next little bit here certainly is to release an MVP that hopefully helps a lot of you sort of stop having to use some of these external tools. Now, quick heads up, this will cost some money. Like this will, because it costs us extra money. So like on the Google side, on the Slack side, on the who knows what side, there are additional costs that we bear, and we will, of course, pass those costs on to you as minimally as possible. I guarantee you they will be far cheaper, though, than whatever you're currently paying, but I don't want anyone to ever say that somehow this was going to be magically free, because it's not. But all that to say, it will allow you to put yet another thing inside High Level. It will cost less than you're currently paying anyway, so that's a win. So you will be saving money. And as always, we'll also give you the ability to do something you can't do today, which is we'll give you the ability to mark it up. So it's another revenue opportunity for you as an agency. So I think that all of that is awesome. Like I said, no timelines yet on actually releasing this, although I do think it'll be somewhere in the next quarter or so. So hopefully all of you check this out. Just want to give you a quick, it actually should be nothing special in the sense that it's something you've probably seen before, just in this case, a Google Sheets integration. So anyways, this is very much future casting. I'm sure I'll get yelled at by somebody for saying this and announcing it, but hey, I like to get stuff out even so that all of you know kind of where we're going as a company and things that we are trying to work on that we think are important should help you. And on that note, I hope all of you are having an awesome Thursday. And I got, I don't know, at least one more video coming out. This one's going to be a big one. So stand by. Talk to you soon. Bye.